The Antennae Galaxies, also known as NGC 4038 NGC 4039, are a pair of interacting galaxies located about 45 million light-years away in the constellation Corvus. While they have been extensively studied, there are still some lesser-known facts about these fascinating galactic entities. 1. Celestial Tug of War. The Antennae Galaxies are currently in the process of merging, resulting in a celestial tug of war. As they collide, their gravitational forces distort and stretch the galaxy's structures, giving rise to the distinctive antennae shape from which they get their name. 2. Stellar nurseries. The collision between the two galaxies triggers intense star formation in the regions where their gas clouds interact. These regions, called tidal tails, are elongated and curving structures containing nurseries of young, massive stars. This phenomenon makes the Antennae Galaxies one of the nearest and most spectacular examples of a galactic merger. 3. Radio glow. One unusual aspect of the Antennae Galaxies is the presence of intense radio emission. This emission arises from synchrotron radiation, which occurs when high-energy electrons spiral around magnetic fields at nearly the speed of light. The collision of the galaxies accelerates particles, generating this radio glow. 4. Starburst galaxies. The Antennae Galaxies are considered prototypical examples of starburst galaxies. A starburst galaxy experiences a significant increase in star formation compared to the typical rate seen in galaxies. The collisions between the Antennae Galaxies trigger the birth of thousands of new stars at a rapid pace. 5. Supermassive black hole dance. Each galaxy in the Antennae pair harbors its own supermassive black hole at its center. As the galaxies merge, these supermassive black holes will eventually spiral inward and eventually coalesce into a single, more massive black hole. This process is expected to release a tremendous amount of energy in the form of gravitational waves. 6. Previous collisions. The Antennae Galaxies have likely interacted multiple times in the past. Observations suggest that the current merger is the result of at least one earlier collision, making their evolution and history more complex than initially thought. 7. Ancient light. Light from the Antennae Galaxies takes about 45 million years to reach us, which means that the stunning collision we observe today actually occurred 45 million years ago. In essence, we are seeing the galaxies as they were in the distant past. 8. Future formation. As the Antennae Galaxies continue to merge, they will eventually form a single, larger galaxy. The final product of this merger will likely be an elliptical galaxy, a more massive and spheroidal-shaped structure compared to the current disk-shaped galaxies. Studying the Antennae Galaxies provides astronomers with valuable insights into the processes of galaxy evolution, star formation, and the role of galactic mergers in shaping the universe as we know it.